Meet GetTryOn, the AI fitting room for your fashion store. Your clothes on your customer's own body. Installs in minutes. No keys, no integrations. 50 free try-ons to start. On mobile, it's a native bottom sheet. Tap, pick a photo, or take one on the spot. Every photo is checked first. Bad ones are blocked. Minor issues get a warning. Credits never wasted. Good photo? 10 seconds, and the look is ready. One tap adds it to cart. The try-on closes the sale. Next garment? The photo is remembered. One tap, no re-uploads. One real photo, 3 looks. True to the garment, true to the person. Try it free, prove the lift, sell more. GetTryOn.ai.